ACHR stock analysis price predictions for Wednesday. Is ACHR Aviation stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. So I've been waiting for like a swing opportunity for ACHR and just to have the shift so I can move forward. Seems like this thing had other plans and it's going down, which is also most of the market. It's almost 6% down. I do have a lot of receipts with ACHR. 25 results in the Discord. And by the way, man, all I'm sticking to is just my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years. Regarding this, technically it's still a bullish range, so even if the price enters this 920 to 820 zone, this for me it's still technically a great place to wait for a double break confirmation from in order to buy. And I even just kind of shift the idea that I'm biased that I had. I mean, like, listen to this, like, listen to me, like, don't just blindly follow me, do your own due diligence. But this is only going to be something that I'll be like possibly buying if I see a shift like that. All right, and this is going to take time because I'm telling you, this is like a 2-hour chart thing or 1-hour chart thing. And instead of assuming I'm just waiting for the shift, I'll be so happy once I had the shift because obviously we'll look to further buy. But if I do not set a double break confirmation, there is just no way I'm moving forward. So that's how ACHR is looking like. If you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.